my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. So guys, Nykaa Hot Sale is now live and they are having some great offers, and I wanted to come here and share with you all that what you should buy, what I think are great products and are going to be on discounts, and I thought I should let you guys know what products I love. I have the products from all different range, like I have body care, skincare, hair care, makeup, everything almost. I have tried to narrow it down to few products so that this video doesn't take forever. Yeah, that's pretty much about this. That's pretty much the motto of this video. And now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's try to categorize it, okay? So I think I should start with body care products, and the very first product that I want to talk about is this body wash. This is by the brand called Plum, and this is their Body Lovin' range. I don't think this is anything new in the market. They have this product for a very long time, and I have been a fan of this particular body wash. You would have seen me talking about this in a lot of product empties. I have tried all their fragrances, all their flavors, but I think ye wala mera favorite hai. This is their Hawaiian Rumba fragrance. This is like such a nice smell, man. This gives me so much of refreshment. I just love this body wash. I have already finished a bottle. This is also going on, and I am going to restock on this because this is on sale. So if you're someone who looks for good body products, this is something really nice. The fragrance stays, it's really moisturizing, and the smell is amazing, so you should definitely give this one a try. The next product that I want to talk about is this body lotion by Nykaa, and this is their Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea Salt Body Lotion. This is how the bottle looks like. This is amazing. This is very, very good. It nourishes your skin really well, lasts for an entire day. Very good consistency of the product, and the smell again is like, have you ever smelled like an aftershave? I think it smells something like that, and I really like it because I just feel it gives me a lot of refreshment once I apply this, and the fragrance stays for long. So I think for me, all the body products has to have really good fragrance because I love to use products that calms me down while I'm taking a shower. So this one is really good. Also, body lotion also obviously have to nourish, and this one really does the job very, very well. I really like this body lotion. You should, मतलब Wanderlust range का favorite अगर मेरा कोई range है, मतलब the flavor, this is this Mediterranean Sea salt वाला. I really like this one. You should definitely get your hands on this. Another body care product that is my favorite is by the brand called Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island, and this is how the bottle looks like. I really love this particular body lotion. I have done a full-fledged video of why I love this. You can see I've been using this ever since I've gotten my hands onto this. This fragrance is just like spa. I have fallen in love with this fragrance. I love it when I use this in my washroom after I take a shower. I just feel so refreshed throughout the day. It's a lovely product, and it will be on sale. So you should definitely check out for the offers they have on this particular product. And the last product that I have from body care range is a face wash. This is the Her Day 365 Master Blending face wash. This is their Moonbeam version. This is how the product looks like. Really love this face wash. It really nicely cleanses up my skin, doesn't dry me out. It's very creamy in texture, affordable, quite a huge tube, lasts for a long time, and it does everything that I could expect from a face wash. So definitely a Herb Day ka full range I really like. Currently I'm using this Moong one, but like you can try the other ranges also. So next, move on to skincare. Skincare, obviously, like I love masking. If you know me, you know that I try all sorts of face masks, and I have narrowed down my list to give you like 2 really good options of clay mask, and I also have skincare like the toner, serum and everything, so I'll talk about these in detail. The very first product that I would like to suggest all of you is this Nykaa ka Clay It cool face mask. This is lovely, okay? I have the Perfect Glow clay mask with me here. This one is to get a glow on your face. For me, clay masks are good only when they don't dry out my skin, and this doesn't. I love this product. I've been using it for quite a long time. Shows me results really nice. Even after this dries out, it doesn't dry out my skin. Very easy to take off, and the result is amazing. Gives me glowing skin, and what else can I ask for? So really love this particular product. You should definitely give this one a try if you don't have it already. And the next clay mask that I want to talk about is this one. This is by Dot & Key, and this is their Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. Again, a lovely product. I have done a full video. I think I'm gonna just stop saying that. जो भी videos मैंने full detail में बनाए होंगे, I'm gonna link those up if you want. If you're interested, you can go ahead and watch those. But I really love this. This one I've been using lately quite a lot, and I have loved the result. My bumps from my forehead has gone away. Like, I used to not try acne wale masks because usually the ones that are specific to acne problems, right, used to dry out my skin like nobody's business, and I can't afford that. But this one doesn't do that, but yet it did solve my bump wala problem. So I have fallen in love with it. My touch wood, my forehead is clean now. I don't get the bumps, and all thanks to this. So definitely give this one a try, I think. Now let's talk about moisturization. अगर आपको invest करना है skin care में, and if you want to invest in some good skin care, then I would suggest कि face shop में Calendula, especially if you are from someone from dry skin, right? The best range that you can try is this Calendula range. This one really hydrates very well. This is an emulsion. Sometimes I switch, okay? I will sometimes use a serum, but sometimes I will skip on serums and I will use emulsion. And this is so hydrating that in summer, sometimes I don't even have to apply a moisturizer after that. I'm not even kidding. I'm from dry skin, but still I do that. And that's because this is very nourishing. This is like very creamy in texture, and it's so easy to get absorbed. I really like this. अगर आपको invest करना है एक अच्छे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट में, then definitely try this one. And if you are already using it, you would be knowing what I'm talking about. So restock on this. Next, I'm going to talk about two moisturizers. These are both summer moisturizers because abhi to summer chal raha tha, so that's what I was trying. The very first product is this Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel. Lovely product, lovely smell, hydrates your skin so well. I've really fallen in love with it. अगर आपको फुल बॉटल में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है, so you can purchase the smaller version. They have a mini version now that they have launched, so you should definitely eye on that and try it. You are not going to regret it. Your dry skin, oily skin, whatever, it doesn't matter. I think it's going to suit all skin types. This has a gel texture and it gets absorbed super quickly, super quickly. And it just leaves a very nice sheen on your skin, and it hydrates for a really long time. So definitely invest in this moisturizer. Another skincare product from a very affordable range that I want to suggest is this Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. This is how the product looks like. This also has hyaluronic acid in it. It also has vitamin E, and this is for non-sticky glowing skin. This again has gel texture, but this gel texture is hydrating enough for a person like me who has super dry skin, and you can see that how much I have been loving this product. In the summer I have used this a lot. This again has a gel texture and it gets absorbed super quickly. Ponds have done such an amazing job with this particular product. Again, you apply this, gets absorbed super quickly, non-sticky it is, and it leaves a very nice glow on your skin, and it hydrates your skin for a very long time. Okay, I'm trying to talk as fast as I can because I have so many products with me. I think we are done with skincare here. Now next move on to hair care. And hair care, you know, I'm a DIY girl. Like, I love doing DIYs, but मैं generally hair care के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें suggest नहीं करती हूँ. But there is one product that I definitely want to suggest, and that is this Sesa hair oil lotion product. You can see, like, I am using these products like ऐसा cut करके. This is like an all-in-one product. This is like a multi-purpose product. You can use it before shampoo, you can use it after shampoo, you can also use it as an oil replacement, anything and जैसे भी आपको मन हो. और मैं generally I use it before I take a shower, like a head shower, and I wash my hair after that. It makes my hair so smooth. It's like a quick fix. Usually monsoon में frizziness is something that everybody battles with. This one has helped me to tackle with frizziness with so much ease. I cannot even tell you. Like मैं DIY करना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ, बट मुझे ये यूज़ करना आजकल बहुत पसंद है. Another brand, actually brand altogether that I want to suggest for hair care is Vela Professionals, and this is the one that I have in my hand is this Invigo Wala version. This is the orange bottle and this is how it looks like. But I would say like if you have the budget, you can also try the Vela Elements one. Those shampoos are even better than this. But I find that too expensive. But abhi sale hai, so you can invest in that. But nevertheless, if you don't want to invest in those, you can definitely invest in this because this is a lovely shampoo. Like you use this, fragrance is amazing, hair feels amazing, very soft and nourished. Love the effect that it has on my hair. It's not sulfate free and all, I think. I think that is the cleaner version, which is expensive, the Vela Elements one. This is not that, but I love this product. And another shampoo that I want to talk about, I don't have the bottle with me right now, but it is the Nykaa Naturals one, and that is the green wala version. I'll try to put a photo over here. The Nykaa Naturals green shampoo, it's brilliant. Like the smell is amazing, the effect is amazing. I love that shampoo too, but I have thrown away the bottle. That's why I don't have it in my hand, but that is affordable also. Okay, so we have covered skincare, hair care, body care, and now we'll move on to makeup. So I don't really buy a lot of makeup, but I do have few of my nude shades that I really love. I want to talk about those because I think लिपस्टिक्स पे सेव अगर करने को मिल जाए तो उससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है, राइट? बिकॉज लिपस्टिक इज समथिंग एवरीबडी वेयर्स. लाइक इवन इफ समवन नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकअप दे विल वेयर लिपस्टिक, राइट? सो आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट फ्यू ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट लिपस्टिक्स. द वेरी फर्स्ट लिपस्टिक इज दिस कलर बार. दिस इज देयर सिंपल मैट lipstick, and this is in the form of a bullet. You know, I love this lipstick. You can see the condition of this. This is the shade called Soulful. This is the swatch of that lipstick. It's so creamy, it's so comfortable to wear, yet it gives such a nice matte finish. I'm actually not a very bullet lipstick person, but this one I really like. This is not transfer proof at all because it's a bullet version, but it is matte on your lips. So if you don't mind the transfer and you are looking for a good bullet lipstick, this is the one you should go for. Another one of the very favorite lipstick I have is this Flower Beauty, and this is in the shade called Rosewood. Lovely product, transfer proof, hydrating. It's so comfortable to wear, so lightweight on your lips. You will not feel that you are wearing anything. Lasts really long. Doesn't chip off from the middle of my lips at all, which is brilliant. It's like a little bit darker shade than the previous one. This is like a mauve shade. Lovely it is. I really like it on my lips and I would definitely vouch for this. Another favorite lipstick, this I have been mentioning since forever, and आपको इस लिपस्टिक की हालत दिख रही होगी. मैंने कैप तोड़ रखा है इसका. ये मेरे पास सबसे डार्क लिपस्टिक है. इसका नाम है Taffeta Terracotta. This is by the brand called Sugar, and this is their Suede Secret Matte Lip Color. Lovely product. I really like it. This is a dark orange brick reddish type of a shade. Love it. Whenever I want to go loud with my lips, I wear this. This is a bit drying on my lips, so अच्छा, by the way, all the liquid lipsticks you need a lip balm underneath. उसके बिना नहीं चलेगा. This one also you definitely need a lip balm beneath this, but it is still a bit drying. I won't say it is not, and it's absolutely transfer proof. Lovely product. And I have one lip liner in my life because I wear most of the times what I wear is nude lipsticks. This is by K by Katrina and the shade is called Hype. Beautiful. This is such a fuller lip liner. Like you don't need a lipstick honestly on top of it because ये खुद में ही बहुत pigmented है. मैं अभी इसको मतलब swatch करके आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is so pigmented in itself and the color is so beautiful. Like one of my most favorite nude shades this is. But this is not transfer proof, of course. This is a lip liner, so this is not transfer proof. And of course you have to sharpen it, so that is one pain that I find. but ठीक है, मतलब मुझे ये लिप लाइनर काफ़ी पसंद है क्योंकि बहुत पिगमेंटेड है, काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल था और एक ऐसा शेड है जो आई कैन यूज़ विथ एनी लिपस्टिक दैट आई वांट. सो अगर लिप लाइन मेरे पास लिटरली सिर्फ यही लिप लाइनर है बिकॉज एंड मेरे पास लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट मतलब दो प्रोडक्ट हैं जो मैं लिप केयर के लिए भी सजेस्ट करूँगी. दीज आर द टू लिप बाम्स. एक तो this one is the Laneige one. This is almost over for me. This is the lip mask. Super thick, super nourishing. You can use it only at night, but lovely product. Very expensive this is otherwise. So if Laneige is on sale, definitely give it a try. We're down to few more products. The one that I want to suggest in brow pencil, I think brow pencil is something that all of us use. Very bare minimum वाले makeup वाले लोग भी इसको use करेंगे. तो मेरी suggestion यहाँ ये है NYX Professional का. This is the micro brow pencil. Lovely product. The lid is very nice. You also get a spoolie पीछे में, and it's so good for beginners also because the color is not like too much in one stroke. You can always build it up, but like in the first stroke it won't be like कि बहुत bushy हो गया है. So very easy to play with, very easy to blend, and very natural effect actually. That's why I really like this product. And the other thing that I want to talk about is my kajal. I use a lot of kohl pencils and mostly brown shade. This is by Maybelline and this is their line tattoo crayon pen. This is so good. The color is so nice and also this is smudge proof. So I love playing with this. मैंने बहुत brown pencils try किए हैं, but मेरा मतलब I haven't really, either I have not liked the color or I have not liked the effect or the problem that it always smudges. This one doesn't have that problem. The color is so nice. It's so intense. Very close to black but not black. So it just gives the perfect look that I want. And last but not the least, this is the Nykaa Masaba ka nail polish remover ka dipper. I think this is a brilliant idea. They have this thing. You don't need like extra cotton pads and remover. एंड फिर उसको हटा रहे हैं नेल पॉलिश. वो पूरा प्रोसेस ही मेरा ख़त्म हो गया है जब से मैंने ये ख़रीदा है. मैं बहुत आई थिंक आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर द पास्ट 1 year एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. यू जस्ट हैव टू डिप योर फिंगर्स doing and then it will be removed, which is a great convenience. I last for a very long time. Yeah, I think I've been using it for more than 7-8 months now. I think I've been talking for so long and finally we have come to the end of this video. I hope my suggestions are going to help you grab your hands on these products. I will leave the details of all the offers that's going on Nykaa so that you can go ahead and check that and then take your decision. Anyway, अगर आप Nykaa app खोलोगे तो आपको easily दिख जाएगा what offer is there. And with this we have come to the end of the video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay very happy. Bye, namaste.